To go up to see Big Buddha and look at the line. The line is like super long. It goes all the way up there. Yeah, I know. Line is like super long. So if you didn't buy tickets before this, yeah, good luck waiting in line. Yay, Aiden, we're getting in. Get in, baby.
I need a card.
Do you?
Yes.
What are you eating? The ice cream?
Yep.
Is it good? No? Celebrity status. Alright, let me grab that. They want you to get in the picture too. Oh wow, okay. Being black in Asia. How cool is that, Aiden? It's grazing. No, don't bother it, Aiden. I'm all sweaty. Look at Aiden. He's like climbing up with no issues. Yeah, this hills are no joke. Or these steps are no joke. Whew. Aiden, what do you think about this Buddha? It's really big. What was that? Come here. How was that to go see the Buddha up there? Good? Were you tired?
No.
You did it just well?
Yeah.
All right. We just came from all the way up there. All the way down. Aiden, what is that? What did you ask?
Something is boiling.
Something is boiling?
It's called incense.
It's called incense. Say incense.
Incense.
Yeah, incense. That's what they're burning. You thought it was fireworks? Yeah, it's not. Aiden, did you see the golden Buddha here? What did you say? Yeah.